organizing different lectures for the students, like personality development, communication skills, motivation, etc. And keeping that tradition continue, today we have with us Mr. Rajesh Ved Prakash, who is a voice artist and speech expert in English, Punjabi, Hindi, alumni of Indian Theatre Punjab University, Chandigarh. In 1991, he shifted to Mumbai and acted in various movies. He anchored live shows, made documentaries, short films, conducted workshops with Pratap Sharma, a renowned personality. He is a director and voice trainer and conducts workshops on voice modulation and communication skills for personality development. He also conducts placement-related question-answer sessions, speech training, voice exercises, interview and group discussion sessions in different institutions. His work includes various productions based on social issues like dowry and female feticide. He has, to his credit, 5 voices in a single production. He organizes and directs plays, light and sound shows also, and he is also promoter and patron of Panchkula Bodybuilding and Fitness Association. So I welcome you, sir, to Mata Gujari College, Fatehgarh side. Now I hand over the dice to Mr. Rajesh Ved Prakash to deliver his talk.
Yeah, good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
So, I'm here to share my experiences. For me, teaching is nothing but sharing your years of experiences. So, I'll be sharing with you, and especially in my specialized field, that is communication. Right? So, I'll be giving you different scripts, I'll be giving you different tips, and what time. Now I'm having a short of time, so what the best possible way I can educate you, I'll try to do my level best. Thank you. First of all, I'd like to tell you, whenever you come to the public speaking, the eye contact is very important. Try to have contact with each and every audience. And before coming, you can always meditate or prayer. That is always good. Or you can do some voice exercises, like we can recite Om. When we start, we can start in a slower pitch, then we can high the pitch. Let's all do Oh, let's all do. Let's relax first, and then when I'll ask you questions or ask you to read some text, then your tongue, your apparatus should be totally relaxed. Like there are some tongue exercises which I'll be teaching. Let's start with Om or Omkar, whatever you like. Just meditate and start doing prayers. Pray, start your prayer. Now I've got so much of experience without exercises, also I can do. But still I do sometime meditation. Prayers are very important, let me tell you. Then, and always speak through heart. Never just read a paper, never be so fast. Wherever the pause is required, you have to make the pause, right? So, I need some text, or somebody has prepared any script, can come and speak. I want their speaking skills. I want you to speak, and then I want that I should try to correct you. Anybody, give them the cordless mic. Cordless mic, please. To any of the students, ask. Excellent. Excuse me, sir. Where is the cordless mic? Give it to any student. I want any prepared text or unprepared text or any kind of extempore. Just try to speak. Let me ask you a question. What motivates you? Answer. What motivates you to come and join this profession? What motivates you? Answer, anybody. Raise your hand who wants to answer.
A very good morning to honorable teachers and my dear friends. I am Chandrima from Physics Department.
Try to be slow down your pace.
Okay.
You must all have observed her pace was little high, little speedy. Yeah? Or no? So just slow down a little bit. You're good in communication. Speak now, please.
Honorable teachers and my dear friends.
Honorable teachers and
Honorable
my dear friends. Try to modulate. When you're talking about your friends, feel the love for your friends. Imagine and express yourself more. Yeah, try.
And my dear friends.
Yeah,
A very good morning everybody.
yeah, good.
I am Chandrima
Right,
from Physics Department
right.
and today I am trying to learn many new experiences regarding the communication skills.
Good. Are you all enjoying the lecture? Yes. Thank you.